Burnout. Everybody experiences it. I'm sure you have experienced it too. If you don't know whether you are burning out, there are 3 signs you can use to recognize your burnout. One is exhaustion. You are exhausted. You are not able to manage your work. You have just lost that passion for it. Second is cynicism. You don't find joy in your work anymore. This is something you were very passionate about, but suddenly, it's not doing that thing for you. And inefficacy, feeling as if you're not enough and you're burned out. This one is for you content creators out there, because I know many of us are burning out. And even when we recognize that we are burning out because of the hustle, because we believe that if we are offline for a little bit, the algorithm is going to bury us under whatever logic that is applied to it. And I'm here to tell you, don't worry about it. Good content sells. While you generate bad content courtesy of your burnout, you are anyway bleeding followers, you are anyway bleeding people who care about you, right? So might as well take a little break and kind of recuperate whatever it is that burnout has done to you. Trust me, people will be there waiting for you when you come back. So if you're experiencing burnout, reach out and take care. I talk about collaborating a lot, but while collaborating with someone, you have to remember about 2 cognitive biases, the halo effect and the horns effect. The halo effect is when someone's positive impression kind of falls on you, meaning you are only remembered for this collaboration you did with this person, this creator. Then there's the horns effect, which is you are only remembered for this one negative thing, meaning say you collaborated with someone who has a very controversial, very negative image in the market, and that is what people will remember you for. Now, this is not something you should ideally worry about, but you should worry about it in the buyer's market. So if you are somebody who's starting out, you want to be careful with these 2. Bye-bye. Today, let's talk about data. There are 2 kinds of data that you can collect as like a content creator. One is quantitative data, that is your metrics, email IDs, addresses, blah, blah, blah. Second is qualitative data, that is feedback, what can I improve, critical appreciation, blah, blah, blah. And I was wondering why we always discuss quantitative data and don't really focus on qualitative data. Like, what is this change that we are seeing within our industry where quality is not a priority anymore? Shouldn't we do something about this, guys? Let me know. Hello. Today let's talk about how to stand out in the market as a content creator. A market that is saturated with a lot of creators right now. So one way you can do this is by providing information in a better way, in a well-rounded way. Say for instance, you're writing for a wellness company and they want you to talk about sources of iron for people who eat plant-based diets. So you can just say, introduce kale in your diet, or you can say, introduce kale with your diet and add lime to it, because kale is difficult to digest, and when you mix it with lime, it's going to be easier on your digestive system, and that is going to make your service stand out. Try it and let me know how it goes.